Part 284C3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34s. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34s. Coherent State Quantum Harmonic 5G Wow Seti. And there's the alien radio signal there. And I'll just line that up there to film. Okay, wavelengths, quantum transport, long-distance communication for the UFO and the WOW data. So this January 26, 2013, the keyword is Brunauer-Emmett-Teller to keyword Arrhenius law from previous video, line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p33, Brunauer-Emmett-Teller, Raney, nickel metals 5G Wow Seti. And today is February 16th. January 31st, we worked on the Arrhenius equation, Boltzmann constant, Fox date, Fox space in a previous video, line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p34a. Arrhenius, Brunauer-Emmett-Teller, iron 5G Wow Seti. I believe that I changed this 34a, if I remember correctly. I think I made the word formula there instead of iron. Better double check here. 34A, that's quite back. 34M. 34A. Yeah, that's what I was right. It did change it to formula, so I gotta fix this for a second. Just so that one has a formula in it. Okay, so the keywords from Boltzmann constant to Fox state to constituent particle, classical wave equation, continues to coherent state from a previous video, line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p34r, dispersion water wavelengths 5G Wow Seti. So January 31st, 2013. The keyword is coherent state. Quote from Wiki. In physics and quantum mechanics, a coherent state is a specific quantum state of the quantum harmonic oscillator whose dynamics most closely resemble the oscillating behavior of a classical harmonic oscillator. It was the first example of quantum dynamics when Erwin Schrödinger derived it in 1926 while searching for solutions of the Schrödinger equation that satisfy the correspondence principle. The quantum harmonic oscillator, and hence the coherent states, arises in the quantum theory of a wide range of physical systems. For instance, a coherent state describes the oscillating motion of the particle in a quadratic potential well. For an early reference, see Schiff's textbook. These states, defined as eigenvectors of the lowering operator and forming an over-complete family, were introduced in the early papers of John R. Clotter. In the quantum theory of light, quantum electrodynamics, and other Boston quantum field theories, coherent states were introduced by the work of Roy Glauber in 1963. Here, the coherent state of a field describes an oscillating field, the closest quantum state to a classical sinusoidal wave such as a continuous laser wave. However, the concept of a coherent state has been considerably generalized to the extent that it has become a major topic in mathematical physics and in applied mathematics, with applications ranging from quantization to signal processing and image processing. See coherent states in mathematical physics. For that reason, the coherent states associated to the quantum harmonic oscillator are usually called canonical coherent states, CCS, or standard coherent states or Gaussian states in the literature. January 31st, keyword iron equation will be in the next video. Thanks for watching.